car. This will be the elevators here at the Hampton Inn and Suites in Mentor, Ohio. Schindler HT. Let's go to 4. Here we go. Here are 4. Go to 1. Good cat view. It's very nice for a Hampton Inn. £2,500 capacity. Here are 1. Set this up to 4. Let's get the other one. And it's here. Go 4. Here we go. Here are 4. On the 1. These are pretty lovely for a Hampton Inn. Can't really see the cab. It looks like they're redoing this. It's pretty much covered. It's pretty much kind of identical to the next one. 3,500 pound capacity. Here are 1. Watch them close. And that's it.